All right, y'all. The river's looking juicy today. I'm gonna go down to the bridge and then the dam. We're gonna catch some fish. Let me show you guys what I'm throwing. Throwing this little minnow jig. It's a crappie jig. I've came up here and caught a bunch of fish off this exact lure and ended up actually only having one of them, and couldn't catch any more fish because I wasn't using this lure. This is the exact representation of what they feed on every day. Ethan caught a gar. Whew. Hell yeah. There you go. Little spotted gar. It is so cool. Dude, that is amazing.
Thumbnails that and then make it repeat.
Yep. Oh my gosh, what is this? Dude, it hit it and it took drag immediately. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is a strong fish. It's running fast, whatever it is. Holy shit, what do I have? I've never caught something that's been this fast. Holy shit. What the hell? What is it? It's a catfish. Bro, he's running like crazy. Like he's going fast. Yeah, it's a channel. I have him. Get him on these rocks. Dude, oh my gosh. I thought I got like a pike or something the way he was running. Oh yeah, nice little river channel. There he is, guys. Caught a lot of fish on this exact bait right here. Catfish love it too. All right, there he is. Nice old channel back into the water. Bloop. We are at Die Dam. Whoa! Oh, yep, there he is. That's a good gar. Woo! Oh, that's a good gar. Oh. Whew. Look at that. Second gar ever. Ethan! Oh! Look at that, guys. Nice little spotted gar. Barely hooked him on the tail. All right, let's let him go. That's so cool. There it is again. There it is again. Yep. Oh my goodness. Got him that time. Whatever it is, I got it that time. Oh, it's a buffalo carp. I got him. I got him. I got him. Buffalo carp. Huh. Dude. Smallmouth buffalo carp, that's what that is. It's my second one I've ever caught, and there he goes. All right, guys, we got a gar. Number 2 of the day. Whew. Look at that guy. And this one ate it too. Hopefully we can get it out easily. There it is. Spotted gar. That's it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you next time.